This report is displaying the total traffic that has passed across each of the interfaces listed, but we've configured the report to present this data for a few different reporting periods: today so far, yesterday, and last week. Rather than a single time filter being applied to the entire report, we're applying different time filters to various columns. Back in the report editor, we can add another column and apply a column-specific time filter. We can see here, where I'll be configuring the new column, that the attribute type is already set to interface. This is because the report data type is set to interface. And because all interfaces exist on devices, I also have the option to select device attributes, like I have in the first couple of columns, with device name and IP. But what I want is interface total bytes. The format is already set to total, but we can see that there are a range of formats available. I'll rename the column to better reflect the contents. And over in the time filter field, we can see that the options include all of the time filter favorites. And the top couple of entries are inherit, which will use the time filter from the filter section in the report if there is one, and if not, it'll use the time filter from the min console when you run the report. And custom, which will offer the complete time filter editor for when you want to employ a complex filter. I'll select last month, adjust the report sorting to use this column as the primary sort. In instances like this, where you're basing one column configuration on another, it might be quicker to just copy the column and then edit it. I'm going to add a graph. And I'll make it a bar graph of the previous 30 days. And I'll set the interval to make daily buckets. Save the report and run it. And here are the new columns that we just added. So that's configuring column-specific time filters in tabular reports.